Okay. Uh, Backing up. Oh, wait, what? Did I just lose like half an hour of work? Hi there. What's up? Welcome back. Do I need to explain why I was away for 3 months? Oh, that's my regular thing to do. Never mind. Also, no one cares. Haha. Anyway, so I am in a very sad and stressful situation because I have to continuously study every day, every moment. Do online class, give exams continuously, prepare for even more exams to get good rank for sorry guys, I just got a little emotional. So yeah, I decided to make some art to divert my mind. So I'll be doing digital art today. It's something in which I don't have enough experience and practice. I mean, clearly, I have done it like once. Subscribe! I did not put any effort for the actual art. So today I'll be struggling to figure this digital art thingy out and make a masterpiece, hopefully. So that means this is my first time doing digital art, except it is not my first time doing digital art, but it is. Okay, anyway, so this time I'll be making an animated fan art of the corpse husband. I'll talk more about him later. So I'll be animating on my phone because I don't have a drawing tablet. Oh, I also need a stylus. Hold on. Okay, let's switch to my phone screen real quick. So first I'll draw in Medibank Paint. I'll be posting to Instagram, so I'm giving the size as 1080 by 1350 pixels. So I have drawn on this app before, so I kinda know the basics, but I might have forgotten a lot of things, so let's just start. So I'm gonna start by drawing like a guide, which I just learned from a YouTube video. I'm prepared this time. That's not a good circle. You know what? I give up. Now there you go. Perfection. Wow, this is hard. This feels really awkward to draw in such a small screen, that too digitally. I'll hopefully get comfortable in the process. Okay. Backing up. Oh, wait, what? Did I? No way. No way. Did I just lose like half an hour of work? Okay, so I went back to the screen recording, took a screenshot and imported it. We are fine. I was so scared. Okay, let's talk about Corpse. So if you don't know him, he's a faceless YouTuber, like who doesn't show his face. So he used to do scary story time animations on YouTube, which I haven't seen because I don't want nightmares. But he recently got popular because of his Among Us videos, through which I discovered him as well, and his unique deep low voice. So it is basically because of like a medical condition that he has, according to some people, which actually gives him a lot of pain. But enough of that. Let's talk about his music. Guys, I'm obsessed. So I'll be animating later on top of this piece, and I'll put Miss You by Corpse on the background because that's my favorite out of all of his songs. Also, I love watching his Among Us videos on YouTube. He's such a good imposter. Okay, back to the art. So I don't know if you all know, but I am only good at copying something fully in art, because of which I like doing portraits. But I am not so good in like developing my own style because of lack of practice. So for this artwork, I am actually doing my own thing, like taking references from a variety of photos and basically drawing my own idea or style. So So now I'm gonna try doing Corpse's Among Us character in his thumbnails sitting on his shoulder. Let's see if it works. Looks good. Now let's color. Yay! Which color of hair should I do? This looks good. Okay, so I'm done with the basic coloring. Now let's add shadows and details. As I said, I'm not an expert yet, so I'll be leaning more towards the less realistic style of art. By the way, I'm also making a reel of the process, so do check it out on my Instagram. Alright, this is confusing. I don't know what to do with the mask. It looks so plain right now. Oh, wow, that looks sick. I'll keep it. Alright, I think I'm done. That looks good. I'm just gonna sign it. Okay, what background? Ooh, I like this one. What's the spot? Go away. Should I add like a cool chain on the background? No, this is too much. Oh, wait. I almost forgot to give his Among Us character blood stains because he's such a good imposter. Wow, okay, I'm done. Now let's animate. So first thing we need to do is to make a video clip of the art. So I'm going to open Power Director and put it in my timeline and match the video length to the length of the music clip that I wanna use and save it. And then I cropped it to Instagram post ratio in InShot. Now I'm gonna open Flip a Clip to animate. So I wanted the animation to glow, but they don't have any glow pens here, so what I'm gonna do is select a background color which is not there in my artwork, so I'm gonna select blue. I'm again putting the size 1080 by 1350. I named the file and I'm gonna keep 12 frames per second, which means I'll have to draw 12 frames in order to make 1 second of video. Okay, now I'm going to add the video on top. I can't hear the song of the video for some reason, so let's import it again separately. Alright, the fun part begins. Let's animate. So I'm gonna listen to the song and animate frame by frame to the beat. This will take me some time. Ooh, looks really good. I like it. Now I'm going to hide the art layer and save the video. Okay, now I'm going to use a light motion to add the glow. I'm gonna import the art video first, followed by the effects video. Now I'm going to put the chroma key effect and adjust it. And then when I put the glow effect, ooh, look at that, that looks so good. That's exactly how I want it, but there are many adjustments that you can do as well. Now I'm going to split the animation in parts so that I can have different colors in different parts. And then select different colors for each part. Alright, I'm happy with the results, so I'm gonna export it. And then I did certain adjustments like adding watermark in Power Director. And done! I'm not sure if his music is copyright free, so here's the animation without music, but I'll link my Instagram post below if you want to see it with sick music. And that was it, today's video. By the way, this was my initial sketch or planning on paper, which took me like 20 minutes, and on the other hand, the digital art took 2 days and like 9 hours. Yeah, I really need more practice and need to know like the digital art shortcuts and techniques, but this was a fun learning experience. Now, if you can, then please tag Corpse on Twitter and Instagram under my post. I really hope he sees this. Also, as I said earlier, I have a lot of important exams coming, so see you after like 4 to 5 months or maybe sooner. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, like, share, and subscribe if you want. If you don't, it's fine. I already got your view and watch time. Oh, I forgot that I'll be posting this on 1st Jan. Happy New Year!